go that side. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel again. Today guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Romayla. Dito pa rin sa beach, Kujara Beach. Kujara Beach. Umbrella Beach. So ayan.
Alin?
Alin ka ma? Don't go that side guys. Sand there, it will come to your side here.
This is the cow. This is the cow. That's not the cow.
Cow.
He's pooping. The poopy, the poop. He's making it.
So Orlin and Dada taking
The cow.
photo.
And the cow, the cow.
Photo shoot.
The cow, the cow, the cow. Dancing cow.
Orlin, look Dada.
Dancing cow, dancing cow, dancing cow. Moo. Dancing cow, dancing cow. Can I see?
Ang ganda nito guys. So ayan. Lights.
What you doing? What is that? Heavy. Slowly.
Ang cute ng ng pusa. Ayan. So cute. Hanggang dito pa naliligaw yung pusa. Ang cute niya. Ang ganda ng kulay oh.
No, she's in the rock.
It's there. Hiding I think. It's hiding over there.
Where?
There. Went inside.
Where is it?
Ah, no, it's coming. So cute.
Kitty, the kitty.
Now again he's hiding. He's hiding. He don't want to come out.
I think that is
I
his
don't know
home.
if it's a boy or a girl.
I think the rock is his home.
Hmm?
I think
Ah,
that is his
there. Now
home.
he's coming.
Yeah.
So cute. Hey, kitty.
Come here.
Kitty. So
Okay,
cute.
let's follow her.
It's a boy, it's a girl. Ay, gusto talaga ni Olin yung pusa, ang mga dogs. Gusto niya yan. Kamak. Hello. Hey, mister. How are you? Hi.
Hi.
Hi. I'm sorry.
Mix it.
Mix. Careful, little.
Slowly. More. More.
We'll check if it is
You can check.
okay, put another one. Maybe it's not enough that one.
Wait, I'll open and give you.
She.
So much.
Sometimes you go out.
Not mix. Still the sugar is
Hmm?
Sugar, not milk.
How's your cappuccino?
My spirit is wake up. Thank you. Ano, hot chocolate.
It's still hot.
It's cold already.
Let it cool a bit.
So ayan guys, naantay ko yung order ni Dada na ano, burger. Pero hindi ako nag-order ng burger, siya lang. Kasi gusto ko lang yung ano, kape. Kasi nga, wala akong tulog. And then, gusto ko magkape. Sabi ko dito na lang ako, ano, magkakape sa tabing dagat. Ayun yun. Yung dagat nasa harapan ko. So, maganda sa ano, sa pakiramdam, yung ambience ba. Nakaka-relax. So, ayan guys. Inom tayo ng kape.
Good.
Thank you. Enjoy your order.
Thank
Thank you. Enjoy meal.
Wow, big bun. Mozzarella stick.
Dada, my house is full of.
The sands?
Yeah.
I know. Because you played there in the sand. It's okay. Just remove it.
Is it yummy? Wow.
Look at the crow.
Use straw, but no. After that, I remember there's drink also.
What's it? What?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know what is that.
I know. It's Sprite.
Sprite.
Can I try?
Cheese.
Pinap.
Oopsie. I got itch.
What is that?
Itchy. Skin remove.
It's a prank.
Burger.
Dada, burger. One bite.
It's a prank.
One bite, Dada.
Oh my god.
Big mouth.
It's very big.
Hey, yummy.
Give me the also. Give me.
It's well done. I will hold your bite.
Give it. Just give me.
That is big or lean, yeah?
It's gonna fall.
Oh my god. So yummy. Oh my god. There's mayonnaise in your in your lips.
Yeah.
You have a beard.
You have a beer.
There's some sour. What is that? Maasim.
Baba.
Continue.
Baba.
Oh.
Baba. Baba.
Kape guys. What is this? Cheese stick. Wow.
Slowly.
Sarap fresh.
Good. Tiger.
Sarap. Finish it. I'll do one more.
Baga.
Oh, Dada.
Is it all no? You can have stomach.
It's a big tummy. No. Big tummy now?
Leave it.
This is what we're gonna miss when we for good. Yeah, baby? Mamimiss namin ito, guys. Yung mag-gala-gala. Finish, ha? Ayun.
One bite only.
One bite before you.
This one bite.
No.
One, I will give you dinner again. That was only that. Come on, you can do it.
How many bubble I have?
That's okay. Only one bite. Wow. Dada. Okay. Half bite for you, half bite for me.
Now the vlog will eat.
Last bite, guys. Sarap. So yummy.
Very big. Full.
Very big. Cabraninos. Eating after eating like this. Madami-dami na rin guys yung mga tao. At sa kabila may mga tao. Ayan. Pag malamig-lamig guys ang ganda dito. Pero ngayon hindi siya gaano ka lamig, hindi din siya gaano ka init, parang humid lang. Ayan. Malapit na maubos yung aking coffee. Ayan. Dada, coffee. Be. Drink your hot chocolate. Orlin, quickly! Quickly! Orlin is a winner! Yes! So, ayan guys. Pauwi na kami. Ayan yung dalawa. So, don't forget to like and subscribe guys. And God bless you. See you. Bye-bye.